Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of garlic bread which is prepared from scratch. You'll get this garlic breadsticks which is cheesy and delicious. Let's see how to prepare this garlic bread. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour. Add in salt as needed. In goes 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of Kashmiri chili flakes, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 crushed garlic, and half a teaspoon of active dry yeast. I have taken active dry yeast and hence I am adding directly into the maida mix. Mix everything nicely so that it combines well. Add in lukewarm water and knead it into a soft dough. You should get sticky soft dough like this. Add in 2 teaspoons of olive oil and mix well. Rest the dough for 2 hours. This process is called proofing the dough. The yeast will get activated and increase the volume of the dough. Next, I am going to prepare the garlic butter. I have taken 7 garlic and crushed it nicely. Add in 1 tablespoon of coriander leaf. I have taken 40 grams of butter. Mix it nicely so that everything combines well. Microwave the butter for 10 seconds so that it will be in spreadable consistency. Do not melt the butter, just heat it for 10 seconds so that it will turn to spreadable consistency. I have taken salt or butter here. If you are using unsalted butter means add in salt as needed. I have taken an 8-inch baking pan and greased it with oil. Dust it with maida. I have also prepared garlic bread using bread. I'll share the recipe link in the description below. After 2 hours of proofing, the dough has increased in volume. The dough has proofed perfectly. Take it in a countertop and knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. The dough will be sticky, so add in maida and knead it. Roll the dough into round shape and it should be quite thick. Roll the dough into half-inch thickness. Transfer it on a baking tray. Apply a thick layer of garlic butter. I have taken 3/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. Spread it evenly on one side of the dough. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Fold the other side of the dough like this. Seal the ends of the dough by pressing it nicely like this. Apply some garlic butter. Sprinkle some chili flakes and oregano. Slice the garlic bread slightly using a pizza cutter or a knife. Rest it for 10 minutes. Bake the garlic bread for 40 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Having said that, the baking time completely depends on your oven type. Cheesy garlic bread is ready to be served now. Slice it and serve it as a garlic breadsticks. Do try this delicious garlic bread and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.